The earth speaks to all of us. Just patiently listen to it. A very warm welcome to PwC News. Today we are present here at the Sanjay Gandhi Javik Udyan with the Shrishti Club members on the occasion of Van Mahotsav. This Van Mahotsav, Shrishti Environment Club in collaboration with Department of Geography, Patna Women's College organized a nature walk for Shrishti Club members and Department of Geography through the green patches in Sanjay Gandhi Javik Udyan as a part of celebrations for the vibrant week of greenery. This 30 minutes walk was to create awareness around the native flora and fauna of the country. During the walk, students were introduced to different species of trees and their impact on the environment. Ms. Meenakshi Mishra, coordinator Shrishti Club, was also present during the walk and helped the student in understanding the need of conservation. You have been a huge contributor in making this nature walk come to life. What do you want the students to take from it?
I want students to understand our flora and fauna surrounding us, and as we sensitize them about the indigenous species that we have, definitely these species will help us in cooling our environment better. So in larger goal is to target the climate change. We want to sensitize students about the growing calamities of climate change, and if they are sensitized enough, it will bring behavioral change in their life and in our society. So that's the aim.
Dr. Avadesh Kumar, Professor, Department of Geography, worked alongside the students and introduced different tree species to them. So, why do you think that students should be the flag bearers of conservation process?
ये हम देख रहे हैं कोरोना के पीरियड में अचानक एक बदलाव आया था क्लाइमेट में और टेम्परेचर जो था वो कंपैरेटिवली कूल हो गया था। क्लाइमेट चेंज को बचाने के लिए स्टूडेंट को फ्लैग बियरर के रूप में फॉरवर्ड आना चाहिए।
Shelja Gautam, Environment and Discipline Secretary, introduced the sparrow preservation of the Patna Zoo. As an Environment and Discipline Secretary, how do you describe the experience of this nature walk?
Van Mahotsav is the event that allow us to connect with the nature once again. So our intention with this nature walk was to inculcate the connectivity with the nature again. We can see that trees and wildlife is all around us, but zoo is one of the sites in Patna where we can find them in abundance and all around us. So while walking through, we can feel calm, and it's very important to feel connected with the nature again once in a while. So we thought that this experience will be very enlightening for the students.
At 9:15 a.m., a green pledge wall was placed near the main gate of the college. Students from different departments wrote their pledge in regards to conservation of nature and Mother Earth, and teachers also took part in writing their pledges. Today's green walk was more than a symbolic gesture. It was a step toward a more conscious and compassionate way of living, a journey where each stride echoed and commitment to environmental stewardship. The green pledge, written with sincerity and hope, now lives within each of us as a promise to protect, preserve, and nurture the earth that sustains us. May this day inspire us to act not just occasionally but consistently. Let us walk forward together in harmony with nature, not just during Van Mahotsav but every single day. So as a Joint Environment and Discipline Secretary, what pledge did you take?
I took a pledge to be always available to aware people regarding the injustice that we are doing to our ecosystem and climate, and I took a pledge to plant a tree every year. Thank you.
And for my pledge, I take the pledge to be a better daughter towards Mother Nature. That's all for today. This was your host Shafaq Kainat with camera person Mantasha. For more such updates, stay connected to PwC News.